I'm Preeti and today I come out with an idea which I thought I must discuss with you all because now we have considered you all as a part of my family, as my YouTube family. So anything I'm doing which I think can be worthy for you, I'll definitely discuss with you all. Few days back, I've started working on increasing my vocabulary. I've started working on increasing and enhancing my English speaking skills. So one idea came to my mind that why not to share with you all as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a homework. I'm going to give you a task which you have to complete. Firstly, you have to promise with me that you will complete it. Okay, if you complete that task in this very first video, then I will continue this thing. Okay, one video in 1 week only, one video 1 week, and if you complete the task, I will continue the series. Okay, so what you have to do is we will learn 5 English words in a week, just 5 English words in a week. I will tell you the words, I'll tell you the meanings, and I will frame my sentences in this video only. And what you have to do is you have to catch the words, learn the meaning from my video, and then frame the sentences and drop it in my comment box. Drop it in my comment box. That is your homework. That is your task that you have to do is you have to create the sentence and drop it in my comment box. So you have to firstly promise me that you will do your homework. Okay? Because in this task we will keep on increasing our vocabulary, and meanwhile I will keep on sharing the tips how to enhance your communication skills, how to enhance the public speaking skills. So meanwhile what we will do, we will improve your English, we will improve your vocabulary as well. Okay, so 5 words. I'm going to start this thing. So first word, the first word is dupe. DUPE, dupe. Dupe meaning is कोई भी काम किसी से धोखे से करवा लेना. कोई भी काम किसी से धोखे से करवा लेना. So in this, I've asked money from my friend that my mother is ill, and later on he or she will realize that it was a lie. So in this situation, I can say to my friend that he duped me. He duped me. You can frame your own sentence. Like, I'm just giving you an idea and I have framed my own sentence for myself, and you have to frame your own sentence. Okay. The first one is dupe. Coming to the second one is abandon. Abandon means to finish something forever or long back. कोई भी काम आपने हमेशा के लिए खत्म कर दिया, ये बहुत टाइम पहले खत्म कर दिया था. Got it? So my sentence for this is the room had been abandoned years ago. The room had been abandoned years ago. This is my sentence that I have framed. So you have to frame your own sentence and write down in a comment box. Later on you'll get कि कितनी progress हुई है हमारी. Okay, so coming to the third one. The third one is anxiety. Anxiety means have lots of worry, have lots of fear. You're afraid to do something. You're worried about something. So we can use the word anxiety instead of using the normal word. I'm worried about it, I fear to do this thing. We use the word anxiety. So my sentence for anxiety is I have to climb up the hill. I have to climb up the hill and filled with anxiety. I have to climb up the hill and filled with anxiety. So this is my sentence I have framed for third one, that is anxiety, and you have to frame of your own and you have to write down in a comment box. So I'll keep on checking the ideas, I'll keep on checking the sentences, you're going right or you're wrong. Okay? Coming to my fourth word, it's swamped. SWAMPED. Swamped is flooded, swamped is you are very occupied, swamped is you are so busy, or these busy days are going on. So you can use the word instead of I'm quite busy nowadays, you can say I'm swamped. Okay, so I'm going to frame my sentence of swamped. These days I'm so swamped with the work that I have no time to breathe. These days I'm so swamped with the work that I have no time to breathe. So instead of using word occupied, I've used the word swamped. So that will give you a very English, British accent and look that you know English, you have that high class of vocabulary. So keep on increasing the vocabulary, and instead of using very normal words, we'll use very classy words. Okay. So I have used the word swamped. Coming to the last one, that is fifth one. The fifth one, the word I have chosen is sluggish. Sluggish means to slow down or take a slower move, or something we can say we're moving very fast and now it is slow down. So according to me, the word I've chosen, the frame for myself is the economy has been very sluggish for past few months. The economy has been very sluggish for the past few months. So why I have framed this sentence? Because it's a corona, it's a lockdown period, and economy is literally very sluggish. So I have framed my own sentence, and now you have to frame at your own. So these are the 5 words we have learned today, and we'll keep on learning 5 words a week, and it's not, I don't think it's a much one. Okay? It's a very normal work, and you can easily do it. So what you have to do is learn out these 5 words, frame your own sentences, drop your comments, drop your answers in the comment box, and we will keep on learning together because it's our team. We will learn in a group. So this is the task for this week, and if you complete this task, I will give you another task next week. Okay? So stay connected with me, keep on learning the English, you will improve your personality together, because even I'm not a very fluent person in English. So I have to improve my vocabulary, you have to improve your vocabulary, and we will improve our English speaking skills together. So stay connected with me, like the video, subscribe the channel, and do give your reviews in our comment box, please. That's all I want from you, that's all I expect from you. Please give your reviews. I'm going right, I'm going wrong, because if this is a video like I am improving myself. So अगर कोई गलती रह गई है, so please forgive me, because even I am learning it. So thank you so much. Stay connected with me. Till now, bye bye.